Greetings, tech guys. It's fantastic to have you back with us on our channel, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey as we dive deep into the realm of innovation with none other than the eagerly awaited Apple Macbook Air 13-inch, equipped with the formidable M3 chip. Buckle up because we're about to embark on a thrilling exploration of cutting-edge technology that's sure to leave you captivated. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this laptop at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. We live and breathe innovation, constantly striving to bring you the latest insights and discoveries from the ever-evolving world of technology. And today, our spotlight shines brightly on the iconic MacBook Air 13-inch, a device that's been the talk of the town since its unveiling. With its sleek design, unparalleled performance, and a host of groundbreaking features, the MacBook Air 13-inch is poised to revolutionize the way we work, create, and connect. And at the heart of it all lies the mighty M3 chip, a powerhouse of innovation that promises to elevate your computing experience to new heights. But before we dive into the intricacies of this remarkable device, let's take a moment to dissect its specifications. From processing power to storage capacity, each aspect of the MacBook Air 13-inch has been meticulously crafted to deliver an unparalleled user experience. So, whether you're a digital nomad, a creative professional, or a casual user, there's a configuration tailored to suit your needs. Now, let's talk about design and display, two elements that truly set the MacBook Air 13-inch apart from the competition. Crafted with precision and elegance, this sleek marvel boasts a design that's as eye-catching as it is functional. Its ultra-thin profile and feather-light construction make it the perfect companion for those on the move, allowing you to work and play anytime, anywhere. And when it comes to visuals, the MacBook Air 13-inch doesn't disappoint. With its stunning 13.6-inch liquid retina display, every image comes to life with breathtaking clarity and detail. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite TV show or fine-tuning a masterpiece, the vibrant colors and crisp resolution ensure an immersive viewing experience like no other. But what truly sets the MacBook Air 13-inch apart is its unmatched performance, powered by the groundbreaking M3 chip. With its lightning-fast processing speed and integrated graphics, this powerhouse of a device effortlessly handles even the most demanding tasks with ease. From editing videos to running complex simulations, you'll breeze through your workload without breaking a sweat. And let's not forget about connectivity, another area where the MacBook Air 13-inch shines. Equipped with Thunderbolt 4 ports, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and MagSafe 3 technology, you'll enjoy seamless connectivity and lightning-fast data transfer speeds. Plus, with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, staying connected to the world around you has never been easier. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the camera and battery life, two crucial aspects of any modern laptop. The MacBook Air 13-inch features a 1080p FaceTime HD webcam, ensuring crystal-clear video calls and virtual meetings. And with its all-day battery life, you can stay productive and entertained for hours on end without having to constantly search for a power outlet. In conclusion, the Apple MacBook Air 13-inch with the powerful M3 chip is more than just a laptop, it's a gateway to endless possibilities. With its stunning design, unrivaled performance, and innovative features, it's poised to revolutionize the way we work, play, and create. So, if you're ready to experience the future of computing, look no further than the MacBook AI.